Hi, this is Lisa Branch. I'm a committee member of the PR team for the Fluor Communicators. And today I'm going to show you one of our new acquisitions. We have a better way to record our speeches when we are doing in person, and it's with this little device here. This is going to be a wireless lapel mic. Isn't that great? So I'm going to show you just real quick here how to use it. And it's really simple. So first of all, this is the receiver. Okay. This part right now, this is a USB-C. It has an adapter that you can just plug this in. So now this is a lightning connector. So this can go with the phone. This goes with an Android. And there's one with a regular USB. So now you can also plug it into a laptop. Okay, really great functionality. I have an iPhone, so I'm going to put this adapter onto it. And literally, okay, it just goes into the bottom of your iPhone, just like that. So now when you're recording, okay, you're going to record and it's just going to sit there and it is going to receive. And so you'll see here that there's a blinking blue dot, okay, that shows that it is, okay, looking for the connection to the wireless part. Now this is completely wireless. You can go across the room and it will still pick up everything. This end here is the microphone part, and it has a little clip. So you just clip it to your shirt like so, okay? And all you have to do is, there's a little button on the top, and the light turns blue. The blue light corresponds with this blue light. That means that it's on and connected. If you press it again, the light turns red. Now it means that it's muted, okay? And if you press and hold, the light turns off, and now this device is off, okay? So you just want to make sure, so you're going to press and hold to turn it on. There we go, okay? And now you're ready to go. You just clip it on, and now you can speak, and now we can have great audio with our recorded speeches in the meeting. I'm really looking forward to using this technology, and I hope you have a chance to use it real soon. Thanks.